away we go. Howdy, folks. Some of us are fortunate enough to know someone who really knows what they're doing and gives them advice. For me, one of those people, I'd say the main person would be racing legend Tony Scarlatta. Yes, we know him as the fastest top alcohol flat bottom driver in the world. But this guy knows a lot more about boats than you would ever imagine. And like literally every idea he's ever given me has come to fruition to be right and true. We were hanging out at his show, The Outlaws, and he saw I had this GoPro on this boat, and he actually likes this boat because it handles really well. He saw I had the GoPro here. He looked down the deck and said, "You know what, Bill? I bet it would change the handling characteristics significantly with different positions on the deck of this camera." Now, this boat, with this setup in it, is kind of flighty. It wants to flip. The camera was here. I tried it up here. Or I'm going to try it up here today. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it holds down a little better. If not, we're gonna try it really close to the nose and see if it holds down. I'm willing to bet this works. Let's get out there and try it. Good morning, friends. I'm out here with a friend of mine called the Rampage Twin Cat. You can tell I love this boat because I play with it a lot. And you know, that's something I just don't get. How could someone sell RC boats and not play with them? That's so weird. Like, I've got a warehouse full of these things, and whenever I get a new one, I drive 4 hours just to meet the truck, just because I can't wait to play with it. You know what I mean? Now, if I just don't understand how someone could like exchange boats and parts throughout their hands and look at them every day in their shop and not play with them. That's crazy. You must really not have an interest in them. But that's not what's going on here. We got a full interest in these things, and we're about to put this thing in the water and see what's happening. Little darling, here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Whoo, she jumped. We'll go fast on the way, come back here. What a glass of water. Full peg. Tony was right. I'm gonna go a little even farther forward.
Receiver battery 7.4. 105 miles per hour.
Okay, I guess we'll go get her. Okay, so it crashed. It did only go 112, but in its gigantic defense, I charged these batteries yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is, since I've got this glass, let's go back, throw a charge on her, and come back out and see what we get full blast. Shall we? You know, I'd rather slightly miss the mark trying than sit behind the counter, behind a jewelry counter all day, dude. I love RC boats. I love playing with them. I love being out here in the outdoors. I'd much rather do that, you know, than try to be corporate. right, guys, I'm back. And the water has fuzzed up on me a little bit. But you know what? You know what my motto always is? I'd rather screw up trying than sit behind a jewelry counter and look at these boats and not even try them. Let's just get this thing back in the water. And away we go.
9 miles per hour.
Who's got the baddest? Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Things got a little rough.
On the scene. It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Couldn't give it all.
Water system's cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water. Shit. Animal twin cat RTR.
We're gonna take another go at it, guys.
And the Dominator motto, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding.
See how much you'll let it give me.
You hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Full pull.
Who's got the fastest boats on the
Let me
scene?
have it.
It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
That was nice. That sure was nice. Come back home. Well, there you have it. It crashed again. Again, like I said, guys, I'd rather crash trying and be out in here in this golden California sun than sitting in the jewelry store just boxing shit up and looking at these boats go by and sitting on the dock of the bay watching my beautiful life blow away. This here is my beautiful life. It's called running RC boats. So if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio controlled model boating. Bill Oxidean, over and out.